Today we're gonna see how to view past returns on Turbotax. Firstly, sign into your Turbotax account and select Continue on the screen showing your prior year summary. Just scroll down to your tax returns and documents. Choose the year you need to select Download/Print Return. And if you don't see the return you need, check if you used a different Turbotax account in the past. You can find all of your accounts there. You can select documents from the menu, then use the drop-down menu to select your tax year, then click Download Tax PDF. Or you can just scroll down to your tax returns and documents, select your year, click on Download or Print PDF. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.